difference between standards and specials. Standards, what we consider standards, are off-the-shelf parts that many distributors or manufacturers will stock, and you can buy them from multiple places. Specials would be something that has a blueprint for it and has a special feature on it, something that's non-standard. So in the surface, special parts, depending on the volume that you are using, generally are going to create a little more cost for the part itself. However, the reason the part is special oftentimes makes it like a multifunctional fastener, something that exists for a purpose. And oftentimes you can't fulfill that purpose with a standard fastener. In some cases it may take the place of a couple different standard fasteners with one fastener. Like a shoulder bolt would be one, for instance. You could use a hex bolt and a spacer and a washer and so forth, but if you designed a flange bolt with a shoulder on it, it's a one-piece part, which could save you money from carrying 3 different parts and so forth, but the cost of the initial fastener may be slightly higher. So it's a total cost of ownership kind of a thing. We like to work with our customers. If you have a need for a special part, it helps if you review the application with us so we can see if it truly needs to be a special, or if we can maybe make a standard part work for you.